In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on About Phone. Now click on Storage under device name. Click on Free Up at the bottom. Wait a couple of seconds and choose Clean Up over here. So as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my storage was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!